Today we are going to install the GAOFE MACH4 ribbon. Prepare the ribbon and empty paper core for this. Open the outer cover. Open screen. Open the print head. Take that axis out. It has a spring here. Push like this. According to us, this ribbon is 70 centimeters in size. Turn it to 70 here. There are scales here. Load ribbon. Card shaft, stuck in this original location. Put it in. Pull out a little ribbon. Press the print head. Take out this recycling shaft. If the recycling shaft is a small paper core, adjust it to 70. Direct installation. This is facing this hole. Ribbon installation completed.